It's like a big pyramid one. It's awesome.
Some of ours have got. Oh, what's yours one? Yours is called like Spinkle.
This is mine, Spinkle.
Look how little it is.
It's like a baby firework.
Rockets. Are they the ones we got from Tesco as well?
Yeah.
Then why were they selling them?
Bang! Sorry. Dick move.
Do you know what? I'll blind you for that.
No, I can't even. I can't
Oh,
see
there we go.
pathetic firework.
Yay! You lit the first.
Yeah.
Hey, that's cute.
I got hit by a spark.
Oh,
Good job, Spinkle.
that was it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
There we go. Yeah.
Ooh.
That's awesome.
That's nice. I don't know why it's called a mine though.
No, just wait for it.
Way!
5 out of 10, I'd say.
There we go. Go, go, go.
Immediately, at least 8 meters.
Ah, rock. There we go.
Yours looks more pathetic.
That doesn't need 8 meters. How many meters was yours?
Something's got to explode at the end, right?
Oh, we're not meant to fall at us then. Oh.
Whoop.
Nope, that was it.
Small.
There's loads of little ones in there. In those.
What is Astrolite? Is that a fountain? Yeah, I like to do fountains.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mind the rocks. There we go. Aww.
It's my kind of firework.
That was cute. Very exciting. Was that a small one?
Yeah, that was the
okay.
smallest.
We are not.
Whoa!
Oh, there's going to be another one.
Oh god. These don't seem very safe. A meter, huh? Ho ho!
Ta-da!
Aww.
Is it a shot or a candle? It's something like a candle.
It's a meter away, so
Yeah. This is gonna go so wrong.
Probably.
I'm scared. What's the other one doing?
I think that's the 1 meter one, so it's just a
Oh. Oh. Oh, don't make sure you don't miss it. Yay! What does it do? It's a shot.
It fires off 5 candly bits.
Well, it's probably going to miss us anyway. Okay, it's going.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yep, it's going. Shit. That's okay. Whoa.
Oh my god.
That's not my fault.
I like that one.
That was nice.
They're really nice. Yeah, it was good.
Beautiful.
That was maybe the best. It's good enough for me. Ah!
Safe distance.
Safe distance, safe distance. There we go. Ah. Whoa! This is not a safe distance! Ah!
It seems to be leaning ever so slightly.
Only slightly. That wasn't, well, that wasn't bad though.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a rocket. Ooh,
That was fucking legit.
that was good.
Get back, get back, get back. Fuck.
Yay! Whoa, don't throw it. You're not gonna turn it at me.
It's okay, you're more than a metre away.
Okay. Okay, I'm doing it. I think that's the worst one yet.
Oh, I quite like it. Go on, free. Whoa, there's a funny back.
Ah! Oh my God, Lyle, what have you done? That is nice. That's a bit Christmassy. There you go. Run, 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 turn around. Okay, I've done my best to point it away from us.
Why doesn't that instill me with confidence?
Because my dad taught me fireworks safety.
That was tense.
Have you ever
Yeah.
Here we go. There. Oh. Whoa! Why is it going everywhere?
Nobody's whistling with
This is terrifying.
I'm on the ground, everybody.
Lyle's on the ground. Do you do the last two sets?
Yeah.
I don't mind.
You sure?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, and then your rocket ones. Oh, I've got the wick, and I am not being near you when you do this monstrosity.
Run!
Yeah!
Alive! It's facing right at us.
Holy shit, it bounced on the water.
It bounced on the water.
I'm getting a lighter out.
Get a lighter out, mate.
Ooh, chippy.
I might start gathering the dead fireworks.